Dirty dog. Dirty dog. You take a bath. Rain. You take a bath. Rain. 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 Hi. What are we gonna do today? What are we going to do today?
Make some popsicles.
What popsicles?
Some popsicles.
Popsy.
Look, I mean that's
Cool.
Look.
Say pop. See. Cool. Not cool. Cool. Not hell. Cool. Yan. Cool.
Popsicle.
Not cool. Cool. Look at my mouth. Popsicle.
Popsicle.
No big L. Okay, sorry, I didn't. Wait, I didn't record. Sorry, I forgot. One more time. Hi, guys.
Hi guys! Hi guys! What's video? Try video. This is my beauty frame. So.
Okay, one more time. So we have 4 popsicles here. Popsicle maker.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so what color is yours, Arby?
I'm green.
Sky will have the green one, and Ate will get the.
I'm gonna get it. Yellow.
No. Okay, Ate. This is for Ate, the yellow one. Then I guess Mommy is the pink one.
That's pink one. That's red.
It's pink, diba?
It's red.
Okay,
Pomelo.
whatever. And this is mine, the orange one. Okay, we're gonna make juice. JC will make grape. Is that a grape juice?
No, it's mixed berries.
Okay, JC will make a mixed berry popsicle. And Arby, what will you make?
What?
Let me
Chocolate.
let me see. Oh, it's Milo chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah,
Chocolate.
Milo say chocolate.
Chocolate.
Wait, say it again.
Chocolate.
Okay. Where's the L?
Chocolate.
Okay. And then me, I will make
Chocolate.
a coffee popsicle.
Oh, Mom.
How about Mom?
chocolate.
Okay. So Arby and Mommy will have both chocolate. Okay. What's that?
For the chocolate, we need Milo
Milo.
and also
Oh,
condensed
where's my
milk.
bottle?
Oh, condensed milk.
Okay, when it's frozen nice, the popsicles, the tendency of the chocolate popsicle will be not sweet anymore. So you add a lot of sugar in it.
Yeah.
Condensed milk is sweet.
Do you want to take 2?
Yes.
Sige. Sweet. Right? Too sweet.
Okay. What's step 1?
Step 1, you have to cut them.
Yeah.
This one
Hey, that's apple.
it's okay. So I will put some hot water in it so that the chocolate will
The chocolate will
melt.
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 Okay. So the chocolate will melt. Don't forget that, kids.
For our JC,
While Arby is mixing her chocolate drink, JC will.
get some.
Is that enough na? Or that's
I think so. So I will put water.
only half then?
Yeah.
Okay. Only put half, not too many. Let's follow Mom. That's warm. That's not hot water.
It's not. Kasi okay naman. Yung chocolate lang.
So you put more juice kasi sama sweet.
Yeah. Should be.
You put more kasi there's a little bit to go. It's very light.
Yeah.
It's to be darker.
Wait, I'll put here because the electric fan will blow the,
Harvey, you mix yours while we put more powder mix.
Mixed berries. Yeah, you mix it. Mixed berries.
Mixed berries. It's a mixed berries. Make sure not to spill it, baby.
Oh, it's chocolatey. I will put the condensed milk now. Look.
Okay. Zooming in.
Mix it. Yeah, so sweet. So yum. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
I'll put condensed milk in my coffee.
Yeah, para sweet siya.
Yeah, mommy will put in my coffee too. I will make coffee popsicles. Yummy. It's not sponsored. Are you eating it?
I will put condensed milk on Daddy's coffee popsicles.
Yeah, I drink it halfway. That's why it's only a little bit.
Sweet kasi.
Yeah, I drink some of it already. I will mix also. Mixing. JC, you mix yours. Mami, hindi ko lang yung kay JC. Look at JC's powder mix.
Okay na.
It's okay.
Should be sweet.
Okay, so okay, JC, when you're done, you pour yours in color yellow. Okay, RB will pour here. Sino ko pour sila? Mommy will help you. It might fall down. Give it to me. Might make it dirty.
Hold your hand.
Mommy will hold you while I hold it. Do we have a funnel? We don't have. Okay, we don't have funnel.
We should buy one.
Yeah.
Go to the mall later.
You know what funnel is?
Funnel of judges.
What? What's funnel? Mommy is weird.
This one.
The singer. The shouter. How about RB? How about you? Do you know what funnel is?
You're so fun.
What's funnel? Not funny. Funnel. Ay.
Okay. I will open the popsicle.
Okay, who's gonna be the first one?
Gonna be.
That's Arby's. That's Arby's. Sige, you go there.
Boom. Boom.
Ah, yeah. Ah, yeah.
Open it.
Ah, yeah.
Open it. Open it.
I will hold it first. You need to pour it to the brim.
So sweet.
Mami, don't spill, okay?
Okay, me.
Sige, up to the
No, kasi di mo na mako.
No, you can. It's concave. You need to
okay.
pour it until it's full. Pour it until it's full.
Yan.
More.
Ay, no, may ano siya, may... There's a line.
It's up to you. I think you should pour it until it's full. Yeah, that's number one.
Where's
RB.
mine?
The pink one is yours or red one. I don't know.
Woohoo!
I will hold this. I will hold this one. That's mom's.
Mine.
Yeah, like that. No, kulang pa. Okay, next one. Let's go to the other side.
Dude.
Jig.
It's your turn.
Oh, who's next?
What color is yours?
Yellow one.
Yellow.
I will hold
Okay,
it.
let's dance. Jigs. Ate will I will hold it again. Sweet. Be careful, my love. Oh, yeah.
More.
Konti pa, konti.
More.
Yan.
More.
Alright, close it up.
I'm having a hard time. Oh, next one, the coffee. Mine.
Different colors.
Mine is next. Coffee.
Oh, wait, we dance first. Ready?
Wait. So, wait.
Daddy, get yours.
I'm having a hard time. You pour it, ma'am.
Pour the coffee.
Up. Pour. Oh, it's bitten.
You can put some chocolate.
Okay, get the chocolate, Daisy.
It's mocha.
Bitten.
Mine.
Mine is bitten.
Go, Dad. Go, Daddy. Upside down.
Okay, now
I put it in the fridge.
let me see. So we have 2 chocolates, 1 coffee, mine, and look at Ate. She has a berry. I forgot the name.
Mixed berries.
Oh, there. It's mixed berries. Tang 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 tang. Okay. There's it.
Let's put
Wow.
it in the fridge na.
Oh, who's gonna put it in the fridge?
I'm gonna put it in the fridge.
Matatapon.
Matatapon.
Dukes.
Dukes.
I'm gonna put
Dukes. Dukes. Slowly, slowly.
Ready?
Oh, dance. Everybody dance. Dukes. Dance better. Come on, shake your butt. Dukes.
Oh! Digs. There. Put it here. At the bottom. This is nice. Let's wait for.
Wait, now you're gonna do your assignment. And then tonight, when we watch a movie, it will become frozen.
No, it's gonna be for 5 minutes.
No, that's not that fast.
6 minutes.
Oh, dance. Let's dance first. 1, 2, 3, go.
A few moments later.
Let's get the popsicle.
Hey, Mom, let's get the popsicle.
Yeah, I guess it's super yummy.
Okay. Let's go. Come on, guys. Woo. Oh, it's in the freezer. You know where it is? Oh, that's one. Be careful, girl. Mommy, you try to just get the grape one first. Whoa! Let me see. Wow! Yeah. How about are these? That's mine. Mine is the orange one. Tastes so good? Let me see. What this tastes like? Tastes like grapes? Wait, let me video mommy. Ako na nga. Hawak.
Yum.
You take a big break.
How is it, Cheesy?
Tastes good.
I think we need to do something.
Give it let Arby taste it. Beth, taste the grapes.
Yeah.
Is it like grapes?
Murti niya. Kasi guys, Arby, what? Doesn't like juices, fruits, like that. She likes only chocolates and milk. That's why. And banana. You don't like fruits?
Here's your plan.
Yay!
Tastes like
Don't put it upside down, it will fall down, okay? Tastes like chocolate.
Taste it, Beth. Aww, taste it. Taste it.
Have you always? Have you always?
Have your own kids. And mine. Oh, it's the same naman.
Kahit ba?
So, Daddy has coffee.
Okay. It's a little bit bitter.
Let's have a picture together.
Okay, come on guys. Family popsicle. Mommy, making a mess. Hey, Nikki, you're falling in my dress.
Casey naman, ano na? Wow! Yeah, let's eat ano. Ay, this ice cream na tayo going! Ay, it's recording pa, Daddy. Ayun, oh. Oh, no more na ito. Pepperoni for the ano. Video ko pa. Aray! Save it to tomorrow na. Ito na, Bibi. Kayo.
I smiled at them and said she told me so.